Morning guys, welcome to the channel. We are at Slaughter's Park and today we're gonna be flying our drone here. We're looking for, there's an old abandoned house. I want to see if I can find it. Looked like a pretty good place to fly the drone. In the meanwhile, while we're heading towards it, why don't I tell you guys a joke? ¿Cómo se dice pobre en chino? Chin money. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this morning. We'll come back as soon as we're up in the air. All right guys, let's go for flight number 2 since we had a little bit of a video problem there on the GoPro. We ran out of space. Hopefully this one goes good. Let's take flight. And let's start the engines. Start real quick by showing you guys around. We do have a home point. We are at Slaughter's Park. Near the US-Mexico border. That right there, guys, is the Rio Grande River. The other side from the river is Mexico. And what I wanted to do is go explore this little mansion we got here. So let's go take a look. See what we got. Kind of want to fly around this way first. Go around this home. By the way, guys, they say this home is haunted. It used to belong to the Slaughter family. Imagine that. Ooh, check it out, guys. Nice little area there. Go around this building. Let's go up high. Let's go explore inside this first building. We'll find out what we can see in here. Nice. Oof, this is very nice in here. Take a look-see look. Oh, wow. Pretty creepy, guys, pretty creepy. But stay tuned, because that's not the creepiest we're gonna get, because we are about to go into the main residence, which is what they call haunted. Let's go check it out. I think we're gonna go in through the side over here, guys. Saw an open window on this open side. So be careful with these cables. Let's go in this first window. I don't think we've been in this one yet, guys. Wonder what happens if we call that number. Area code 956, guys. 956 for those of you brave enough to call it. Go out the balcony. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. I don't hear the old Border Patrol boat that patrols the river. If we hear it, we'll head out towards the river. What we can see. Right now, I want to make one more pass through this Laredo sign up here. Check it out. Cool, huh, guys? Just go up, 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 so we can get some signal. There's the Rio Grande River, guys. I don't see the Border Patrol boat anywhere. You see some agents down below. not gonna harass them. Yep, right to my left is Mexico, guys. And to the right is the United States, of course. Some transmission interference, so let's go back, where we can get some signal. There we are. Let's do a little fly around back towards where we're at. Actually, let's go in through the balcony this time, guys. Careful here. Don't want to go downstairs because I don't know if I'll be able to get out. Oof, that's a close one. Pretty creepy in there. Kind of makes it look cool though with all the graffiti. It's a little pussycat. Now let's get out of there. Enough risking our drone in there because it does. Let's do a little fly around by where we're at. Show you guys my shirt, by the way. It's a pretty cool shirt. Check it out, guys. Check it out. There you go. I kind of wanted to show you guys that shirt. No pasa nada, carnal. Relax, carnal. No pasa nada. Pretty cool. For all your dog needs, go ahead and contact me or somebody who cares at Bondegren's Canine, where we train dogs to be real protection dogs. Let's walk this trail. Did see one guy walking around here earlier. 43% battery, got plenty of battery. Amber for signal, so let's get back to us. Practice going through some gaps. Oof, that's a tight one. Tight gap. Another tight gap. Boom. Worked out just perfect though. Let's go up these stairs. wants to return home. We'll come back here soon. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little overlook of this park. It's not too bad. Not too shabby. Head on back. Skip those power lines. Go ahead and land.
Low battery. Aircraft
There you go, guys.
automatically.
Hope you guys enjoyed that flight.